Okay guys, I've been working on my little flip-flop journal again today, just a little bit. Um, Technically a flip-flop journal is done with envelopes, like either envelopes, plain white envelopes that you buy and like you mat them and all that kind of stuff, however you want, with whatever you think, what theme you want, or you can make the envelopes, or you can use junk mail envelopes. And usually it's a little longer than this, and like the front envelope is a little smaller than the rest of the envelopes, but I didn't want to do all the matting, so I saw a video that used double-sided paper, so that's the concept I went with. And instead of using for the front little flap, I made my own vellum pocket. As you can see, it's a vellum pocket that I made myself. So let's get into what I did today. I had these little paper kits from Temu. So I just picked like 4 of them and did little small signatures. If anyone knows, I don't really like offcuts a lot in my signatures. I like them to be uniform. That's just me. This part I did a belly band, and I've got some tags thrown in that aren't decorated yet. They're placeholders right now. And for this one, I went with a double pocket, and of course some more tags. And my blood dripping down, I made that template for that and like just used my inks and did like a little butterfly background. And a lot of this stuff that I have, except for the actual paper that I used to make the journal, is probably from Temu, because I have a problem. So, and then like this functions as like the secondary cover, so I guess that's why they call it a flip-flop, because like you can go from both ends, and like this can be the front and you can start opening through that way, or this can be the front. And so I did decorate this, and I put a little tuck spot side pocket here. And this I just decorated. It doesn't really serve any functionality besides just being pretty. And I love this girl sticker. Another signature, another pocket, and then I made a tag that has 2 pockets, like the pocket that does here, and then a pocket that opens up this way. So there's that. And then I have my reusable sticker sheet. So for quick stickers, to where I don't have to go and look for things, or if I'm on the run. In this signature, I use cardstock because I'm going to turn it into an ephemera folder. I got to add some like pockets and tuck spots, and probably maybe some smaller envelopes to stick ephemera in for quick access. And then we get back to the other front side. And I also put like some charms on the end. I don't usually leave my signature strings this long, but I wanted to add a few charms, and I did a pentagram and a little star in the moon. And like I said, then we're back to the front. And I still have a long way to go with this. Like I said, I want to add those pockets for my little ephemera signature that I made. And I want to add decorations to the tags that I have in here. And I may add some stuff to the signatures, like maybe some little tuck spots or belly bands. And maybe even decorate covers. But it only had like room for, as you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4 signatures. But depending on how many flips and flaps like you do, how many accordion style folds you do, I've seen some do like 5 to 7 signatures in it because they're that big. But I didn't want to do one that big, so. But yeah, so that's the gist of my journal right now. And as I continue to work on it, I'll continue to do updates.